Well, what do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Let's use the law of science to solve a problem. All right, so here we got a little baseball problem. We're asked the question, how far away from third base was the ball caught? Well, let's see what we got here and try to determine what we may know and what we may not know. So we're trying to figure out, so here's the left fielder. Here's third base, second base. We're trying to figure out how far away the left fielder at this segment between B and A, left fielder and third base. We're trying to find that distance right there. Now, how can we use the law of sines? Well, if I knew what angle B was, then I could use the law of sines, the side opposite, and then I know this angle to find that, what we've designated as X, as the side opposite. But I can find out what angle B is because I know angle A and angle, well, I guess we'll say it's third base and second base. The angle at third base and the angle at second base. So angle B is going to be equal to 180. There's 180 degrees in a triangle. Minus 43 minus 65. And so what's angle B then going to be? Let's see. 180 minus 43 minus 65, 72. So this is 72. Well, now I can set this up with the law of sines. So the sine of 72 over 90, that's the side opposite, is going to be equal to the sine of 65 over X, which is the difference from the left fielder to third base. Well, shall we solve? Shall we solve? So we got X times the sine of 72 equals 90 times the sine of 65. And so X, which is the distance between the left fielder and third base, is going to be equal to 90 times the sine of 65 divided by the sine of 72. And so what is X going to equal? Well, let's see, 90 times the sine of 65. And then we're going to divide that by the sine of 72. And we're going to round that to the nearest tenth, 85.77, or it's going to be approximately 85.8 feet. Okay. Now, how long does it take him to throw the ball? 85.8 feet. You know what? I don't know. You know what else? I don't care. Because I have found out how far away from third base the ball was caught, and that was really all I was asked to do, and that's all I care about.